Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen data handling using drop_NA and fill_NA methods. And in today's session, let's move ahead with data filtering using conditions. Whenever we want to select some rows based on conditions, we use the Pandas LOC method. We can filter the data based on a single condition or multiple conditions. Let's look into it practically. Firstly, I'm exporting my Excel sheet employee.xlsx and creating a data frame out of it. Now I want to filter some data from that particular data frame. So it is having a salary column and I want to fetch all the rows where the salary is less than 50,000. So I'm using my LOC method and a condition. Uh, By using this, I'm filtering the data, I'm removing the unwanted data and getting the desired output. So let's look into it practically. So import pandas as PD. Then let me say my df is equal to pd.readExcel and I'm specifying the path of my Excel sheet, that is ddrive employee.xlsx. Now I'm printing df. So when I run the code, I get the following output. These details are present in employee.xlsx and we've got it based in form of a data frame. Now in this particular data, with this particular data, I want to fetch all the rows where the salary is less than 50,000. So for this, I have to use the lock method df.loc. We have already seen LOC and ILOC methods. So for filtering the data, we use the LOC method. Within square brackets, let me give df of salary less than 50,000. And now when I run the code, I get my output. It fetches all the rows where the salary is less than 50,000. So I'm having 0, 1, 2. Third row is missing because the salary is 50,000. So it's not less than 50,000. Ninth and 10th row are missing because it is 50 and 60,000. So ninth, third row, ninth row, 10th row are missing and thus our data has got filtered with the desired results. And now this was with the help of a single condition. Now let's apply filtering with the help of multiple conditions. For this, let me say df.loc square brackets df of age greater than 22 and I'm using another condition, so I'm appending it with an AND. So where age is greater than 22 and df of salary greater than 25,000. So here I am using multiple condition. That is, first condition is df age should be greater than 22 and salary should be greater than 25,000. And this I have to include within parenthesis for each of the condition. I have to include within parenthesis. And now when I run the code, I get two records, ninth and 10th records. Age is greater than 22. So it is 23, 24, satisfy the condition. Salary greater than 25,000. So it is 50,000, 60,000. Only these two rows satisfy our condition, the multiple conditions which we have provided. So we get this particular output. Now let us see one more example. df.loc square brackets condition df of age greater than 22 is my first condition, and I'm using or df of salary greater than 25,000. So here I'm using multiple condition, but I'm using an or symbol. Previously I'd used the and symbol. Here I'm using the or symbol. So age should be greater than 22 or salary should be greater than 25,000. So now when I run the code, I get the following output. Here salary is greater than 25 in all these scenarios. Even though age is less than 22, since salary is greater than 25, it gets fetched. Here also it gets fetched. Here salary is less than 25, but age is greater than 22. So even this record gets fetched. So based on this or this condition, our records get fetched in the output. So we have filtered the data based on multiple conditions and we have got the desired results on the console. So this is how we can perform filtering of data in Pandas. The first one was with the help of a single condition. The second example was with the help of multiple conditions which had an and. So both the condition had to be satisfied for the results to be displayed on the console. And the third one had multiple conditions and the or symbol. So any one of the condition got satisfied, the result was fetched in the output. So this is how we can perform filtering in the Pandas data frame. So when we want to select rows based on conditions, we use Pandas LOC method. We can filter the data based on a single condition or multiple conditions. Hope so friends, it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.